Hey, morning traders. Happy Thursday. Welcome. A little bit better of a trading morning this morning. Yesterday, I took a little bit of a knock trading the DAX. Tried to take the long and I got smoked. And this morning, a little bit better. You can see my P&L from yesterday, taking a little bit of a knock there. So not too solid. Let's go this month. Okay. And you can actually see over here, taking a little bit of a knock there, but bouncing back today. Yeah, just trying to find some stabilizing after yesterday's poor trading. But we got it going there. Say what's up in the chat. Good to have everyone on here. And yeah, let's get into my trade this morning, how I actually managed to trade the DAX. I did take this trade live as well. But basically using edgeful's orb stats that I know that 70% of the time once we break the high side, we will go at least 0.5 or of that opening range on the DAX. So a really, really neat trade. And you can actually see that over here, what I mean about that orb on the DAX. If you go over here to the DAX, D30 Euro, and let's go to the opening range breakout. Let's just make sure we got the right timings. We're on London session on because the DAX opens at 3 a.m. And let's go by levels. Okay, and we can actually see that in the last 6 months, 71.07% of the time, if we break out, it's the high side, we'll reach at 0.5 R of the orb. What I mean by that is, let's say at the moment, the orb today was 70 points. Okay, well, there's a 70% chance that it will go 35 points, and that's what we actually get there. Not because that's 0.5 R of the orb. Okay, vice versa. For one, we got to go full orb size, we got 56% chance of that happening. Okay, so we can actually look at that in the last 3 months as well. Okay, so that drops to 68% of the time. So these data points will always change, but you can actually get this. Indicator with edgeful in the with your membership. So if you come over here to the right hand side over here, TradingView indicator access, you will actually get that the indicator up on your chart. It will come over here, invite only, and you will actually get it on TradingView itself. Okay, and that's the beautiful thing about this. Is why I always will punt for edgeful, is because they are a great company that are putting traders first. You know, they're always looking out for the benefit of the traders and using data, not just emotions, to actually make money trading. And you guys have seen me on my streams. I've been talking quite openly and honestly about, you know, my wins, losses, everything like that, and how I've been using that orb with the New York session view app. Right, so that's something that I've just been keeping really, really simple and what I've been using. But let's speak about overnight markets at the moment. Let's speak about that. So what do we have on these overnight markets? Well, currently we are trading massively higher overnight. We got most of the world indexes up, all very, very nicely. In fact, all of them, including in the DAX. The DAX is actually at all-time highs, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, we are actually reaching for new all-time highs on the DAX. The S&P 500, so ES chart, is still quite a way off of that. We still do have, 7% of all-time highs. So quite a nice rebound there after the fall off, which was pretty crazy in the beginning of April, end of March. We did fall from all-time highs to the peak trough there, 21%. But it looks like we are rebounding, and we're just going to play what's in front of us. That's what I'm always advocating for guys to do, is trade what's actually in front of you. What's up, Connor? Good to have you on. Okay, so again, you guys will actually only know that you do get a edgeful free subscription, free trial subscription via the link in my bio. We'll put it in the chat as well, but you will only get a free trial through the link in my bio over here. If you come over here to the link in my bio and type in edgeful, we'll go to the edgeful, and you put in your card details. It won't charge you, but you do get a free trial. So I'll actually put that over there as well for you guys to come and have a look at. Anything else that you want to do, if you want to come check out my other YouTube stuff, get added to my email list. I do some private webinars as well for my clients that are underneath me at XM. So we've got a few things over there as well, but you do get an edgeful free trial in the link in my bio. So back up on the month here, 4K, call it. I'm trying to size up in my trading by getting, bigger in my personal trading count, as well as with the prop firms, using prop firms to elevate my trading results. And I think everyone should be using prop firms, particularly retail traders, risking not your own money, but someone else's. Is just going to make it a lot easier to level up in that. Okay, so Basically, what I'm going to be looking at today, again, always want to leave you with a report, is I'm going to be looking for longs. Okay, we're obviously trading above previous day's highs, clearly looking to trade higher. What I will say is just trade what's in front of you. If we want to come back down before looking for the longs, then so be it. But right now on the ES charts, we are really, really breaking out of this range that we kind of are in. At the moment, we're trading above the weekly view up, above that 5-day SMA as well. So things are looking really, really nice for the longs. We also are above that level that I had drawn out here. We're finally getting back above it and could be moving high. So we do look nice for longs in continuation. News today. We do have some news. Let's just make sure we go over that. Let's just meet the guys here in the Discord. We do have some news here today. We got news at 2:30 p.m. South African time. So that would be 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We have news and unemployment claims. So nothing for the rest of the day after that. So we'll see what happens then. We don't really have any high impact USD news tomorrow either. What I use for news is Forex Factory for the scheduled news, and then Financial Juice for the breaking news. Yeah, M, send us higher. Yeah, we'd love to go higher, right, M? Send us higher, JB. Yes, sir. Good to have you on, M. But yeah, I'm going to look for longs. I hope that we can do that. I managed to catch some nice DAX trades. I got smoked yesterday trying to trade the DAX long, M, and then I caught the nice DAX longs this morning. So up on the month, 4K. And actually processing withdrawal now with FTMO. So yeah, that's always neat. And we'll see you in here for the rest of the trading day, guys. That's going to be me for today. I would say in terms of what you are looking for in terms of edgeful, go have a look at the indicators. You can actually put them on your charts. If you have an edgeful subscription, but you have not utilizing indicators, I will say come and look them out over here, the TradingView indicator access. And then, rest of the trading day, take it easy. Trade what's in front of you. I'm live in edgeful Discord, which is obviously free. Again, if you don't know about that as well, you should, because I speak about it every day. I know we have new listeners. Make sure to go check that out as well. And I'm in here sharing my thoughts, sharing my trade ideas. But